What if I told you that 3 of the most popular air fryers on the market right now are actually wasting your money? I spent hours testing. I fried, baked, roasted, and even grilled. And only one machine survived my kitchen torture test. The winner, not the most expensive, not the most famous. And honestly, even I didn't see this coming. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you know exactly which air fryer to buy and which to throw in the trash. Let's begin. Starting at number 1. Ninja Foodi DZ550. The best air fryer we've tested is the Ninja Foodi DZ550. It's a 10.1 quart, dual basket model that can handle anything from solo meals to family-size feasts. Thanks to its roomy baskets, powerful fan, and high maximum power draw, this air fryer produces great quality air-fried food, resulting in crispy, golden brown chicken wings, vegetables, and fries. It preheats and cooks quickly, too, so you don't have to wait long for meals and snacks. It's also quite versatile, with a wide range of temperature and fan speed settings, as well as 6 preset cooking modes. Additionally, it maintains a stable temperature while cooking, so it's easy to follow recipes accurately. One of this air fryer's main selling points is the ability to use different settings for each basket, so you can prepare a main and side dish simultaneously and even use Ninja's Smart Finish feature to have them finish cooking at the same time. It's also equipped with a temperature probe that automatically monitors the internal temperature of meats, like steak or a whole chicken. Like most other Ninja air fryers, its crisper trays have a ceramic nonstick coating. This is more difficult to clean by hand compared to conventional nonstick coatings, but it may be a pro if you avoid PTFE materials due to health concerns. Number 2. Ninja Foodi DZ071. If you're intrigued by our top pick but don't need quite that much capacity, consider the Ninja Foodi DZ071. It's a 7.1 quart model that can serve 5 to 6 people, and, being from the same product line, it shares many of the same benefits as the Ninja Foodi DZ550. It makes similarly well-cooked air-fried food, with most of each batch being crispy and well-browned, while just a few pieces remain undercooked or wind up burnt. It preheats and cooks quickly, too, delivering very good results, a little slower than our top pick, but still very quickly overall. And thanks to its very low fan and temperature settings, it's even more versatile. Like the DZ550, this air fryer lets you cook 2 separate dishes simultaneously, but its basket is also convertible. So, while you can divide it into 2 sections and use Smart Finish to cook a main and a side, you can also remove the divider to cook a single, large dish. Of course, this convertible design means the sections won't be as well insulated as completely separate baskets, so you may notice some heat transfer between them. Like most of Ninja's air fryers, it also features ceramic crisper trays. Number 3. COSORI TurboBlaze. The COSORI TurboBlaze is a 6.3 quart air fryer with enough space in its single basket to serve approximately 4 people, and if you're looking for the best air fryer at an affordable price point, it's hard to beat. This air fryer makes even better quality fried food than the Ninja Pro AF141, leaving a bit more of each batch evenly cooked and crispy, and it cooks a little faster. It's also very versatile, offering a wide temperature range, 5 distinct fan speeds, and more preset cooking modes than the Ninja models above. Interestingly, this model's top fan setting overshoots the ideal speed, since air passes over the heating element too quickly to heat up properly. Luckily, unlike most manufacturers, COSORI lists the corresponding fan speed for each setting in the user manual, so experimenting to find the ideal setting for your recipe is relatively simple. Plus, its square basket provides more cooking surface area compared to some options with the same overall capacity, making it easy to spread food out for better results. While the crisper plate for our unit has a PTFE nonstick coating, this model now comes with a ceramic-coated crisper plate. Number 4. Dreo ChefMaker. If you want to keep a close eye on your food while it cooks, consider the Dreo ChefMaker. This high-end air fryer has a window in its basket and a light inside its 6.4 quart cooking chamber, so you can peek at your recipe's progress without opening the drawer. It cooks less evenly than the Ninja Foodi DZ550, but still produces good quality air-fried food and works very quickly. This model doesn't have a very wide range of fan speeds for different cooking methods, but it offers a temperature range wide enough for a variety of recipes. This model also offers some unique features, including its chef mode presets, which use a temperature probe and a water misting feature to automatically cook cuts of meat, like steak or salmon. It connects to an app that allows you to monitor the cooking process, look up chef mode instructions for a variety of foods, and send cooking information to the air fryer. So all you have to do on the machine itself is press the start button. Like the beautiful 6QT Digital, it has a crisper plate with a PTFE non-stick coating, making cleanup easy. Alright, now you know the best air fryers and the one true winner. The products I showed you today, including the shock winner, are linked in the description below. Just click compare prices and grab the best deal before stock runs out. If this video saved you time or money, do me a favor, hit that like button, share it with someone who uses a greasy oven, and subscribe so you never miss my gear tests. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay crispy.